If you're trying to export videos in Adobe Premiere Pro and only half of the video is being exported, don't worry, your video is still intact, and I'm going to show you exactly how to export the entire video. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Drone Maverick, so hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, so you get to this point, you're setting up your YouTube video to be exported in 4K or whatever, and you give it a name. And then all of a sudden, when you go to check the video on your computer, it only shows half of the video. It starts a minute late in the video, and then it also ends a minute early. And you have this like section of like, why is it just showing the middle of the video? It's actually a very simple thing, and it's right here. This is a custom source range on Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, this is the reason why your video is only being exported in the one middle section or close to the end. I don't know why I had this thing set up, but it was set to custom, but we want the entire. Alright, so then we have the exported video. As you can see, it goes all the way through the end, and then there's the thanks for watching, subscribe now. So, with that being said, thanks for watching Drone Maverick. My name is Rick Boros, and subscribe now for more videos just like this.